Welcome to Moneyline. This is my today's top 5 draws in the world of football. 250 odds in total. So let's get started. The first game we have is in Portugal Division 2, where Académico Viseu is taking on Santa Clara, and my prediction is full-time draw. We have games in France National League where FC Rouen is taking on Sochaux, and my prediction is full-time draw. As you know, we have a VIP platform where we share sure games on daily basis. If you want to win daily, check my WhatsApp link in the comment section and chat me up. Okay guys, moving on, we have a game in Argentina Primera B where CS Dock is taking on Club Atlético Acassuso, and my prediction is full-time draw. The fourth game we have on this list is a game in Paraguay where Sakura Asuncion is taking on Saudi America Villa, and my prediction is full-time draw. The last game we have here is a game in the Brazil League where Cascavel is taking on Maringa FC, and my prediction is full-time draw. Do not forget to leave a like and then share this video with your friends so they also benefit from this. Do not forget to bet responsibly, and this is the booking code for those people using Sportybet. And if you are using other platform, kindly go to your local bookie and select this game. Thank you so much. I will see you guys next time.